Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 23rd September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 14 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International Day of Sign Languages is observed every year on. Answer is 23rd September. The International Day of Sign Languages is celebrated annually across the world on 23rd September to raise awareness of sign languages and strengthen the status of sign languages. The theme for the 2024 International Day of Sign Languages is Sign Up for Sign Language Rights. The International Day of Sign Languages was first celebrated in 2018 as part of the International Week of the Deaf. Question number 2. Who has secured the first position in the 2024 State Food Security Index? Answer is Kerala. Kerala has once again secured first position in the State Food Safety Index, SFSI 2024, for the second consecutive time. Tamil Nadu secured second place, moving up from third last year, while Jammu and Kashmir clinched the third position. Gujarat, which once led the rankings in 2021, slipped to fourth. Question number 3. Who has recently been appointed as the next Air Force Chief of India? Answer is Amarpreet Singh. Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh has been appointed as the next Chief of the Indian Air Force, succeeding Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Air Marshal Singh, currently serving as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff, will take charge of the force on 30th September. Born on 27 October 1964, Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh commissioned into the Indian Air Force's fighter pilot stream in December 1984. Question number 4. Who will become first Indian astronaut to visit International Space Station in 2025? Answer is Shubhanshu Shukla. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla of the Indian Air Force will pilot the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station in 2025. This marks India's first human presence aboard the International Space Station, ISS, and its second government-sponsored human spaceflight since 1984. The Axiom 4 mission is the result of a collaborative initiative between India and the United States. Question number 5. Who became the 10th Indian bowler to take 400 international wickets? Answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Indian fast bowling spearhead Jasprit Bumrah became the 6th Indian fast bowler and 10th overall to claim 400 wickets in international cricket matches. Jasprit Bumrah has played 196 international matches, including the first Test match against Bangladesh. He has taken 401 wickets at an average of 21.01, with the best bowling figures of 619s against England in a one-day international. Question number 6. Who has been elected as the President of the National Rifle Association of India, NRAI? Answer is Kalikesh Singh Deo. Kalikesh Narayan Singh Deo has been elected the new President of the National Rifle Association of India, NRAI, after he overcame the challenge of V.K. Dal by 36 votes. The National Rifle Association of India was founded on 17 April 1951 with a view to promote and popularize the shooting sports in India, as well as for self-defense teaching purposes. Question number 7. Kumar Tuhin has been appointed as the Ambassador of India to which country? Answer is Netherlands. Kumar Tuhin appointed as the next Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of the Netherlands. The 1991 batch Indian Foreign Service officer is presently Director General at the Indian Council for Cultural Relations. He joined as Director General of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations on 20th December 2021 and earlier served as Ambassador to Hungary from November 2018 to November 2021, High Commissioner to Namibia from June 2015 to October 2018. Question number 8. Artist Moka Vijay Kumar from which place has created a record with millet artwork? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam artist Moka Vijay Kumar, who uses millets in his work, featured in India Book of Records. He bagged the title for making 50 paintings of famous personalities, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the late APJ Abdul Kalam, using millets. Question number 9. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of IDFC First Bank? Answer is V. Vaidyanathan. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has approved the reappointment of V. Vaidyanathan as MD and CEO of IDFC First Bank for a period of 3 years effective from 19 December 2024 to 18 December 2027. Previously, he worked with Citibank from 1990 to 2000 and joined ICICI Bank in 2000, where he set up its retail banking division. He also served as the MD and CEO of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance in 2009. Question number 10. Which state won the most awards at the 4th Global Renewable Energy Investors Meet? Answer is Gujarat. At the 4th Global Renewable Energy Investors Meet, Gujarat stood out by winning the highest number of awards, showcasing its leadership in renewable energy and wind power capacities. The state also ranked second in solar power capacity, highlighting its significant contributions to the renewable energy sector. Other states like Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka received fewer awards, emphasizing Gujarat's dominant position in advancing sustainable energy solutions. Question number 11. Where did India's third home-built 700 MV nuclear reactor achieve criticality? Answer is Rajasthan. The Rajasthan Atomic Power Project in Rawatbhata is the location where India's third home-built 700 MV nuclear reactor achieved criticality, marking a significant milestone of India's nuclear energy program. This project is part of India's efforts to increase its nuclear power capacity and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The reactor is the first of a new series of pressurized heavy water reactors built by the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL. Question number 12. Recently, where was the Nadi Utsav 2024 inaugurated? Answer is New Delhi. Nadi Utsav 2024 has been organized at the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts in New Delhi from 19 to 21 September 2024. It aims to celebrate the importance of India's rivers. This is the 5th edition of River Festival. Theme of this Utsav is Rivers and Rivers, Making of a Lifeline. Nadi Utsav was started in the year 2018 to increase awareness among people about rivers. Question number 13. Which Union Minister has launched the White Revolution 2.0? Answer is Amit Shah. Union Minister Amit Shah has unveiled White Revolution 2.0, a comprehensive initiative aimed at empowering women farmers and creating job opportunities. Under White Revolution 2.0, the government aims to increase milk procurement by dairy cooperative societies by 50% over next 5 years. Amit Shah also launched the Rupai Kisan credit cards for dairy farmers and the installation of micro ATMs at dairy cooperative societies. Question number 14. Who has launched the world's first trade license issued using AI? Answer is Sharjah. Sharjah has launched the world's first trade license issued using artificial intelligence (AI), completing the entire licensing process in less than 5 minutes. The initiative was launched at the Sharjah Investment Forum (SIF 2024) in the presence of Sheikh Abdullah bin Salim bin Sultan Al Qasimi, Deputy Ruler of Sharjah. The new service will initially be available through the Sharjah Investor Services Center, SAID, and SPC Free Zone. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.